We can't walk on water, but at Boyson Inc., we do the next best thing. Whether you're a local or a tourist, rely on Boyson Inc. for reliable car ferry transport between St. Thomas and St. John year-round. We accept cars, local Jeeps, and trailers containing products for delivery to businesses on both islands. Family-owned and operated, we provide safe, dependable, and customer-friendly ocean transport at a fair price. We're also the only local company that provides car ferry service 365 days a year. For schedules and rates, call us directly or visit our website today. At Boyson Inc., we look forward to serving you.